minutes. Grab my water.
Wait until cheese melt.
Oh.
Please go 3 times.
Okay.
And then please eat with this bread.
Okay.
Bread, okay.
Eat this with this bread. You
And
grill this.
this one is pork and beef and mushrooms.
Mm-hmm.
Please grill meats and the mushrooms here.
On that
Okay.
side,
Yes. This one is rice with wild vegetables. Corn.
Corn.
Yeah, corn. Please grill here.
Okay, grill them.
And this one is caramel sauce.
Mm.
Please eat with ice cream in your fridge.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
And the last time, this one is the main dish. This is so hot. So please use this.
Relaxing ka no, dude?
May abnormal ka nalalaman. May abnormal ka bang nalalaman? Ang kape mo doon.
Kinain mo yung bacon mo na.
Nakakunat pa mo yung noon niya, oh.
May sink pa dito. Oh my goodness. Sinong cups ko?
2 cups.
Pag dinamihan ko,